So I'm Ajay Malshe. I'm a distinguished professor at the School of Mechanical Engineering, as well as I'm director of the Manufacturing and Materials Research Laboratory that houses Center for In-Space Manufacturing at Purdue University. That's what in-space manufacturing is one of the critical pillars of operation in space and supply chain in space. So before we go in the future, let's take a quick step back. When America has gone through the gold rush or what people call dot-com rush, we really build an infrastructure. So going forward in space now, we are really starting to go to space 1.0, which was the phase of exploration. Now we are going to phase of 2.0, which is defense, commerce, and exploration. So what we will need for more people to go, more processes to happen, and more products to be made, and commerce that go with it, we will need infrastructure. So that's what manufacturing, operations, supply chain are some of the very critical part of that infrastructure building, just like we had done before. And now we are about to start that. So manufacturing, in the big scheme of the thing, what people call sometimes system, is very critical for operating in space and between Earth and space and beyond. So first thing that goes to the question, what we're going to make in space. We are at that phase that we think we could be making biomanufactured products, say for healthcare. We could be making electronics for digital technology, servers, that's where we are starting. We could be making some of the products for projectiles. So we could be making numerous products in space. So literally what we make on Earth eventually would be replicated in space. We just don't know which is the first product or first set of products will be. Tourism in space is going to be equally important. So let us ask the question, why first? Why in space? Because space offers very unique conditions, just like on Earth. On Earth, we can access trees, water, air. Those are resources, right? In space, you have vacuum. Vacuum is free in space. Cryogenic or lower temperatures are free. So they could be very conducive for electronic devices, quantum technologies, AI, also in microgravity. Another thing is gravity. On space you have no or microgravity. So molecules may fold very differently. So we can engineer new molecules. You can call a mother molecule, and that will replicate that to make new pharmaceutical devices and drugs. So very unique ecosystem where we can look at the resources as vacuum, also minerals. There are many minerals beyond Earth in these extraterrestrial surfaces. So mining becomes very important. So we are, as if I may call, adventurers in space to look at what are the new resources and what we can make it in space for Earth and in space for space.